Hi, I'm Pam Doneen, and I just finished week 12 on the Nutrisystem program. So I'll go over what helped me out this week, how I'm feeling, and of course, what my results are. And hopefully you can find some tips that will help you along your way on your eating program or the Nutrisystem program. So first off, the thing that I have been working on is I'm trying to keep a pretty strict sleep routine. I've been getting up at the same time and going to bed at the same time because then that way I'm not up late thinking about eating. It's like when I lay down to go to sleep, I actually go to sleep. But I also, even on the weekends, don't sleep in. It's like I get up and keep that same sleep schedule because also you do need sleep to be able to lose weight. There's like all kinds of studies that if you don't get enough sleep that you don't lose weight. So anyway, I figure I want to get enough sleep because I want to lose weight. And I also don't like being up late because then I do think about eating. And some of the things that I am doing to my room to make it more peaceful and enjoyable is, for one, I turned the temperature down to 65. I got a new bed not too long ago, probably a little over a year ago. So my bed is comfortable. I was sleeping like in a ditch in my bed, my old bed. So I got a new bed. The other thing, our air is really dry here. So I have a humidifier running in my bedroom, and it's a humidifier that you can put essential oils in this little part in the bottom. And I heard lavender is like calming and peaceful, so that's what I put in it, is the lavender scent for calming. And then also for Christmas, my son got me one of those weighted blankets that are real heavy, and I love it. It's like you get it under that thing and it's like, oh, it's so cozy. And so I love the weighted blanket. And then I also have really soft blankets. I bought, a cover for my weighted blanket plus my blanket that I have on my bed. They're just really soft to me and I love soft blankets, so I have those. Then the other thing is I've kept the room decorated simply, and it's clutter-free and dust-free. So I like the environment to be as clean as I can. I'm not always good at dusting, but I'm working on it. I'm working on that one. And also I've covered like the lights on the humidifier. There's like a little light. So I've blocked that out. And then my husband likes the clock radio because he likes to be able to see the time. And on that light, he put like a little shield thing over it so it's really dim. He can still see the time, but the light's really dim. And then the other thing I need to still do is I have blackout shades, but light gets in around the edges of them. So I'm gonna find some blackout curtains as well so I can close those at night just to make it completely dark in there. So trying to make it a place where I will go and just go to sleep. And I try to have routines throughout my day, not just sleeping. I do feel like sleeping is super important, but I also kind of have it scheduled where I'm eating breakfast at the same time, snacks, lunch, dinner, just so that it's more routine, that I don't have to think about it. And I feel like, okay, I've made it 3 months. I haven't cheated once. And I feel like it's because I kind of have got myself on like sort of an autopilot where I just go through the motions. I know what to expect of myself. And there are times, I'll have to admit, there are times when I start thinking about, oh, I would like to eat extra of that, or I would like some of that, that's not on my diet program. And then at those times, I give myself a stern talking to. It's kind of like, okay, then if you start cheating, then what? Then what are you going to do? You told yourself you were going to reach this goal. And so anyway, I'm like giving myself this lecture of don't you dare do that. And one of the things, or a couple of things that do help me to get through those times are, one, I have a group of friends that I can call somebody. I can call a friend and just start talking to them, takes my mind off it, or I go out my door and go for a little walk just to break the feeling of I want to eat that and I shouldn't. So that's something I do. And anyway, if you get benefit from my videos, if you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe and the notification bell. I would love it. So anyway, let's go take a look at my results for this week. This is the end of week 12. $125.2. So 1.4 pounds. It's more like 1.2 because I had gained 0.2 last week. So anyway, I am down this week, so I'm really happy about that. And I am so close to my 20-pound goal. I only have 1.2 more pounds and I will have lost 20 pounds total. I will have lost 13 on Nutrisystem and 5.8 the 10 months prior. I was trying to lose it in 1 year, but I'm okay with 13 months. I'll take it. And so anyway, how I felt this week, little lower on the energy, but the sun has come out the last few days and my energy seems to be coming up with the sun. So I'm feeling better, although my energy was a little lower this week. And this week I really am going to try to up my exercise because I am so close to my goal that I just want to reach it. And so I am going to really try hard to exercise a little bit extra this week. Anyway, if you could hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell, I'd love it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate that, and I appreciate you. Thank you. Have an amazing week. I'll talk to you soon.